Welcome, my name is Balazs and we're here with the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. You can imagine which one is the Plus. That's the dual camera version in the middle, but we are talking now about the colors. We have 4 beautiful colors available, as you can see, which is black, blue, silver and purple, but actually it's called lilac purple, midnight black, coral blue and graphite silver or something like that. So let's start here with the lilac purple up close, how that one looks like and how beautiful this reflects here the light when there is no fingerprints on there. If I touch it, there will right away be fingerprints on here, so it's always nice to have something to clean with close to you. So what you have also obviously is the full metal body in the same colors always as the back, so that looks quite nice. You will find a nice little comparison videos on my YouTube channel soon with similar phones, also the older S8. Then we have the black one, the midnight black, which has the same design and same everything as before, so that one didn't change at all if you ask me. Then the coral blue is quite interesting because depending on how the color, the light shines on it, it has a darker blue or lighter blue color, but it's not as beautiful as an Honor phone, I would say right now. When it comes to the back, Honor is really looking a little bit more crazy awesome. This one has still the regular nice S8 design with the dual camera now. And then we have the silver one, which looks a little bit awesome. Like it would be some kind of special metal. It would be nice to have cases like this for all of them so we can change them every day, but sadly you have to decide which one you would get if you want to get an S9, and you also have to decide if you want a dual camera or just a smaller regular S9, not the S9 Plus, with just a single camera, no zoom and less RAM, and also the smaller screen. So much tuning in. This was just a quick quality comparison of these beautiful smartphones here at the Mobile World Congress 2018. Till next time, peace and again. My name is Balazs and thank you much for watching.